Hello world, I'm in the KLCC right now and I'm just heading to Bukit Damansara. Actually today's video will be about the nightlife in Bukit Damansara, pub crawling. I'm gonna show you how's the biggest expat community in full entire Kuala Lumpur living over there. Meanwhile, that's the Petronas Twin Towers, as always, looking good over here in KL. Very important landmark. And as it's Saturday afternoon, about 8 p.m, so many people came here to making pictures. By the way, this gold lightning building looking very good as well, not so bad. So we arrived to the Damansara Heights, next to the gravy baby actually, and I was really hoping, it is so busy, but it's Saturday night and it's nobody here. And I'm here with my friend Imad, and Imad, tell me, what do you think? It's busy. He was party last night actually in Changkat.
Yes, it was so busy over there, but here a little bit. We were thinking maybe it's Saturday, it would be much busier than this, but
it's not. So I don't know, let's see, maybe we're gonna go to Bangsar. Bangsar is also popular. The taxi driver said let's go to Mont Kiara, but I was like 2 days ago in Mont Kiara, so I'm not sure. And also what he said, another Solaris something.
Solaris.
Right? So anyway, I wanted to show you a little bit. This is the area of, well, Damansara Heights. There are a few bars like a Gravy Baby or something like this, different. But except few people inside, actually almost not many people anywhere. Not much is happening, seriously, like, guys. So basically in Damansara, I think there are some restaurants, most likely for the dinner or something like that, but definitely not much nightlife is going on here. All right, and now we arrived to the Bangsar, and definitely it's going much better here. The vibe is much better, and let's see what we're gonna find out here. Meanwhile, at the front of me is Las Vegas bar, but so many actually action is going on around here. So meanwhile, the traffic jam, so that's the only good signs on Saturday night. Las Vegas, actually this is Indian R&B club. There are so many actually clubs, bars everywhere around, and well, let's see what we can find here more. Here is the one of the busiest bars, definitely, with the live band. Check this out. So many happy people everywhere around. So basically you can feel as the street is definitely very alive at that time. It's about 10:30 p.m. Saturday night. So many bars, somebody have a party here or something because of the balloons or something. This one looks actually also pretty decent, I think. Here we go, Yooo. I'm not sure if he was waving to me or he said non-film here. Meanwhile, the situation on the street looks really okay, really alright. So many places around. Actually, selection is also pretty alright. Alright, so I think we're gonna grab some drink in the most busier place, what we saw at the beginning. Meanwhile, actually, it's a lot of selections here, but as I'm making video about the nightlife, definitely I should find something where it's so busy inside. And the name of the street is Jalan Telawi 2, in case if you are interested to come here to enjoy the time. Also, maybe I forgot to mention, Bangsar is actually, together with Damansara, probably the biggest expats community in full Kuala Lumpur, guys. However, Damansara seems like it's the peaceful place. Here you can find so many bars actually, as action is going on, especially at Saturday night. We decided to having a drink in the Rock Button, in case if you are interested where we are. Probably deep inside is very loud, so I just gonna make a B-rolls. And meanwhile, somebody have a very nice GTR here, just only interesting fact. People don't have a problem. I wish I was better.
Bangsar and also your band members. Again,
Ladies and gentlemen,
on behalf of the management of Business Bangsar and
our
also
beloved Brunei Sherry.
like you always say, hopefully.
So that was the shots from one of the bars in Bangsar. I just wanted to show you, as you can find really good, cool vibes of the nightlife in Bangsar, in Kuala Lumpur. Now we are changing location into Changkat. Alright, and here we go, arrived to the Changkat on Bukit Bintang, and as you can see already, traffic and crowds are everywhere on every single corner. So possibly there are few expats areas in Kuala Lumpur and few places where you can hang out, but I think nothing gonna beat actually Bukit Bintang and Changkat, actually, as you see right now.
Love is love. Love is love. Yo.
So guys, it's midnight right now in Changkat, Bukit Bintang, Kuala Lumpur. And check this out, actually the crowd is crazy over here. Everywhere full of people enjoying their time.